Hey everybody, it's Dr. Blake, the cooking doc. I have a ton of new YouTube followers, so I wanted to just take a minute and do an off-the-cuff video to introduce myself and to answer a few questions. I am in somebody else's office, so this is their kids' artwork on the back, not mine. But my name is Dr. Blake Schusterman. I am a nephrologist, which is a kidney doctor in Greenville, South Carolina, and I believe that food has a tremendous role in the management and prevention of all diseases. I'm a kidney doctor, so my focus is specifically on kidney disease in my practice, but a lot of my recipes and my videos all work towards using food and learning to cook good food to manage disease, to prevent disease, obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and also just to help make you feel better in general and to make you a better cook. So that's why I started the cooking doc. I am a nephrologist, a kidney doctor, but I'm not your doctor. So I often get lots of questions on my website or comments about why a specific video doesn't necessarily apply to somebody, or asking what they should do in their specific health situation. And I want to let you know that because I'm not your doctor, I really can't answer those questions. And in those short little 5-minute videos, which are meant to be educational but also informational, those are fun videos. I really can't get into depth about specific health issues sometimes. So I encourage you to ask your doctor or your dietitian if you have specific questions about food and your diet. You can ask me the question down there, but I probably won't be able to answer it in a way that specifically works for you. The other thing to know is that I have a book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, and that's where I really go into depth about the way food can help prevent and manage kidney disease. We talk about special drinks for the kidneys. I have a video now that has about 500,000 views about the top 5 drinks for your kidneys. But really, to get in depth on it, you need to read the chapter in my book about it. We talk about salt, we talk about protein, we talk about the alkaline diet, the DASH diet, plant-based diets, and the way all of these different things can help your kidneys. You'll see that I produce a whole bunch of videos at one time, and then I may go silent. That's because I am a full-time private practice kidney doctor, and I also have a family at home, and I have hobbies, so I don't always get around to making videos every week. But stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, then you get notified as soon as I do. I've got some great videos in my mind that I hope I have time to produce in the next few weeks. Lots of delicious recipes. And if you haven't checked out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, go do it right now, because in between the times when I'm not creating videos, or if you want to get in-depth information, scientific information, delicious recipes, motivational stories, go to my website, thecookingdoc.co, and you can buy an e-copy of my book, or go to Amazon and look me up, Dr. Blake Schusterman, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, and get the paperback, beautiful pictures, beautiful recipes, and lots of graphs and charts to really help you understand how to make good food, make you a better cook, and learn how food specifically affects your kidneys. So if you make a comment here, I'm always looking for ideas. I may not respond because I'm generally pretty busy, but I will try to look over all your ideas and all your thoughts, comments, criticisms, positives, negatives. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss a new video, and stay tuned because we got some great things coming in the next few months. Thanks for watching.